Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the
Bitcoin is crashing, the crypto market is crashing, and people are asking questions why. A friend of mine called me yesterday from his vacation from Tanzania, asking me to tell him what the reason was for the market crashing. And there's never really one reason alone. It's always a collection of number of things. But basically right now we've got the bybit hack, which then was followed by mass liquidations as people began to withdraw their money, which caused further downward trend in further liquidations. It basically caused a domino cascading effect. Then you've got Trump announcing the reinstatement of tariffs against Canada and Mexico. And so it's just a perpetual cycle of things that are getting added on top of one another, including FUD and, of course, retail withdrawing their money. And it probably is some insider trading or some market manipulation. Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. Today is the 26th of February. Let's have a look at the crypto market, see the prices, look at the Bitcoin chart, and of course, look at the news and dive into the reasons that are causing the market to crash. Presently, the market cap is at $3 trillion with a $268 billion in trading volume. Look at that nice big line here. This is simply the trading volume that is being gathered from all the liquidations and all the money that is being withdrawn from crypto exchanges. We've got Bitcoin struggling to maintain $87,000. 85,000 is kind of the bottom line for this support level. If it did dip below 85,000, I think we could see a massive retracement all the way to the 70s, which hopefully is not going to happen. I was looking for forward to Bitcoin retracing a little bit so that I could pick up some more, but I hope that it's not going to go down to 70s because I'm all out of liquidity right now. Ethereum at $2,400, Solana at $144, BNB below 700, Cardano at 67 cents, again below $1. Litecoin $114. Some good news for Uniswap came up. SEC dropped their lawsuit against SEC, so that's nice. Let's have a quick look at Meowcoin. While the market tumbles, Meowcoin sees a 1.6% increase to 0001, 700,000 market cap. So I don't know, predictable, unpredictable. It almost happens every single time when Bitcoin crashes and the market crashes, Meowcoin pumps. Look at the sell volume on Bitcoin. That is massive. This massive sell candle is what pushed this price tag all the way down to $85,000. $85,900. Basically, if we broke above, this is the zone within which we could probably assume that this is our support zone. I would resume between 91 to 89, and I guess we could still consider these candles as part of the zone. If we did break below the 85 right here, there's no support right here. There's no support at all for this part, hence the label of the unclaimed zone. So hopefully that's not going to happen. Right now we've got we hit the dip and now we're seeing a retracement, and hopefully it'll hold, but I guess we're gonna have to wait and see. So before I get to the article that talks about the bybit heist, the bybit hack, here's a quick one just announcing that Trump confirms trade tariffs, which is not a good thing. A lot of money was taken out because people are afraid of inflation. Yesterday, Trump confirmed 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico, causing the market to react as investors look to other avenues to put their money. According to James Toledano, COO at Unity Wallet, many believed that Bitcoin's price would continue rising once Trump entered the White House. But the reality is that the price has gone south, likely due to tariff trade wars, fragile peace talks in Eastern Europe, and fears around DeepSeek's impact on the US tech sector. But this could also just be a momentary lapse of pricing reason. Then there was the security breach of Bybit, which we know the Bybit hack was in the vicinity of $1.4 billion, which is said to be the biggest one ever, which caused massive liquidations, and the Bybit hack triggered a 150 billion market sell-off as people began withdrawing their money, most likely on fears of further hacks. And so this is the reason why I recommend the biometric wallet from the Send in order to secure your crypto. Don't keep your crypto on exchanges for whatever reason. I mean, the hack has been remedied somewhat on Bybit, but this is the second one this year. So two crypto exchanges have been hacked so far this year. Zilliqa was one, and now Bybit is the other one. You can pick up a Descent wallet for a $99 discount. You can get two of them right now with the CryptoFather exclusive discount ref link below the video. $99 off on two and $30 off on one single copy of the Descent biometric wallet to store your cryptocurrencies off of exchanges where it apparently is not very secure. So we had the Bybit hack, which caused a sell-off, which caused a further downturn in prices, which further caused liquidations to a massive extent. The cryptocurrency market is facing a severe sell-off, with major assets losing billions in value. At press time, Bitcoin was trading at $88,000, down 7.5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum and Solana were also suffering double-digit losses. Ethereum was down 10% and XRP dropped 10%. Solana lost 12%. But massive liquidations and the Bybit hack, a perfect storm for crypto. The crypto market saw $340 million liquidated in just 1 hour, with over 150 billion erased in the past 24 hours. So much so that Bybit has started repaying the borrowed ETH, because Bybit borrowed a bunch of ETH in order to make sure that it doesn't collapse, in order to make sure that people who were affected by the hack were able to withdraw the money. And so now Bybit started repaying the borrowed ETH from institutions after $570 million in long positions were liquidated on the exchange in the past 24 hours. So literally, the market started crashing. It's almost as if market makers were working hard to make sure that liquidations occur to recover the $1.4 billion that was hacked out of Bybit. I don't know. I don't know. It seems a bit extreme. It seems a bit fishy, right? The extreme volatility has triggered widespread panic selling, leading to steep losses across the board. I mean, this is not a single incident. February 3rd, Cointelegraph posted that $2.8 billion have been liquidated, $1.8 billion in longs and $308 million in shorts. So this was February 3rd. So this is not like, you know, one-off. Liquidations happen on a daily basis, or actually more like on a minute-to-minute basis. Just because you don't hear about it doesn't mean it's not happening. Literally within the last couple of minutes, Bybit liquidated shorts on XRP, $133,000. Binance liquidated longs on Nero USDT, $76,000. Another Binance liquidation on shorts, $204,000. Another short at 50,000, 57,000, 154,000, 50,000, 60,000. So this is like an ongoing thing. It's literally on a minute basis. But the Bybit hack, the $1.4 billion losses, is a massive one. Arkham Intelligence compared it to the $1 billion theft from the Central Bank of Iraq in 2003, highlighting the unprecedented scale of the attack. This caused investors to withdraw funds from exchanges to avoid exposure. And where does it go? It should go into your Descent wallet. Liquidity is drying up and fueling the sell-off even further, which in turn causes liquidations as prices continue tanking. Another alarming factor is the dramatic decline in capital inflows. According to Ali Martinez, inflows into the crypto market have plummeted by nearly 50% in the last 10 days, shrinking from 52 billion to 26.5 billion. As someone once shared their insight, I think the attitude of a lot of people who could buy crypto but don't is basically, why do I want to buy the bags of some degen loser who got lucky and bought Bitcoin when it was 4 digits? That's essentially what it feels like. There's just not enough retail, basically not enough retail money going in. The market cap has been pushed by institutional money going into the market, but the amount of retail has not really increased since the last bull run, before institutions actually got on board with the whole crypto idea. So the entire decline means that fewer of new funds are entering the market, making it harder for assets to rebound from steep losses. Without strong inflows, liquidation cascades accelerate, leading to deeper markets crashes. Also, you have to keep in mind that it's a lot harder to move markets that are behemoths. If you have a market cap of $500 billion versus $3 trillion, and Bitcoin sitting presently at what, $1.3 trillion market cap, $1.7 trillion market cap. It's kind of difficult to move a price tag like that with a small investment than it would be when Bitcoin was $500 billion back in 2017, 18, 19, or 20. At the same time, investors are shifting away from risky assets like Bitcoin as volatility spikes in traditional markets. That's usually the case as well. People don't want to be in volatile markets. Traders are in volatile markets, which is why there are so many liquidations, because everybody hopes to make a lot of money on the ups and downswings. But I mean, everything comes with a level of risk, and so that's the risk in volatile markets, that things spike up and spike down. And when you can make money, that is the time when you can also lose a lot of money. The volatility index surged by 21.74% in just 5 days, signaling uncertainty in global financial markets. Historically, when risk appetite diminishes, investors dump speculative assets, worsening the crypto market's downturn. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index confirms that a huge chunk of investors are dumping risky assets. At the time of writing, it had a reading of 29 fear. Just yesterday, it was still neutral at 40, and a month ago, the market was in greed, more than 61. Such a rapid shift means traders are exiting positions out of fear, further accelerating market declines and again causing price drops and liquidations. While extreme fear can sometimes signal a potential buying opportunity, the absence of capital inflows and ongoing panic selling can make a quick recovery unlikely. So why is crypto crashing? Like I said, the market's decline isn't due to a single cause, but a combination of devastating factors, all of which I mentioned in this video. The bybit hack has shattered confidence, liquidations have intensified selling pressure, capital inflows have collapsed, and global markets are becoming more volatile. Trump is imposing taxation, which is not a good look for the global economy. This has forced investors to exit risky positions. The crypto market depends on liquidity to sustain price levels, and right now liquidity is vanishing. Unless inflows recover and market sentiments improves, the sell-off may continue. So this is not a very good prognosis for crypto for the time being. Let's hope that markets do recover and some money flows back in. It seems like bybit is recovering nicely, which is it's good, but I mean, $1.4 billion vanished, which is not a good thing. And I bet it doesn't really instill confidence in larger investors and whales dumping their money into exchanges like Bybit when there is a risk of being hacked. And I mean, aside the fact that Bybit is recovering the funds that were stolen, it's pretty clear that even big exchanges like Bybit are not immune to hacks. And I bet investors are feeling the pressure and are questioning their sanity for putting money into places that are highly vulnerable to hacks. Why would you want to do that? Probably forgo the mass risk, the mass profits by simply investing into safer assets, making a smaller interest, making smaller returns on your investment, but a much more secure return on your investment. You can simply sleep easier at night without having to worry of losing billions of dollars or millions of dollars, whatever the case may be. And so I cannot stress this enough. Time to get yourself a Descent wallet. Pick them up. $99 is a sweet deal. $99 off is a sweet deal. $219 for two of them, which comes out to about $108 per wallet. It's cheaper buying a pair than buying one. If you do want to go with one, you still get a $30 off on a single wallet, but the price tag is a lot better for the two. The ref link is below the video. Pick it up right now and store your crypto on it. That's what I'm doing. After the ZegX hack, I moved all of my crypto off of ZegX. Whatever was left after they reactivated, I moved it off onto my Descent wallet. By the way, ZegX is right now working on making sure that everybody gets their money back. Any users experiencing issues with missing or incorrect balances can report it by clicking the Report Incorrect Balance button on wallet page. So go to ZegX if you are missing. I know that some people left comments on my videos saying that they had opened trades and that those trades are gone and the money that was in those trades has also disappeared. So while they're The wallet portfolios are still intact. The money, some of the funds that they had have disappeared. So contact Zilliqa, find out if they can figure that out, if they can return your money, if that can be saved. It should be salvaged, hopefully. And best of luck to you. Please remember to smash the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, share the content with everybody else, because that really helps the channel out. And there's the growth on the CryptoFather channel has been pretty slow, and I think I'm like, I don't know, I'm here every day. I do the work, I put in the footwork, I share the content with you guys. So if you are here, if you've watched any part of this video, please make sure to hit the like button, because it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me. It helps support the channel. And my God, I've watched a lot of the other YouTube channels, the crypto channels, and they're all the same. And I'm just so tired of all these actors, influencers who are, you know, running around with millions of subscribers and creating content just based off of their fame and glory. It's not fair. So do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Have a fantastic Wednesday. We're over the hump. Peace.